Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok, specifically with monetization on the TikTok shop for creators. So recently I got invited by a company to help them make videos, so let's get started. First of all, I'm going to click on TikTok Studio. Alright, now scroll to the middle where it says TikTok shop for creator. This is way of monetization. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have under TikTok Shop Toolkit, I am going to hit collab invite. So this specifically related to invitation by companies. Okay. Now we see all these pending ones. These are all the invites which I haven't accepted. And here are the in progress which I've accepted. So I'm going to click on post video. Oh, by the way, I'm going to also go into adding subtitles too, because specifically this company wants me to add subtitles. All right, so as you can see, we have two different products. You can just click on whichever one that you want to maximize the sales. These are exactly the same products, just different colors. So I'm just going to say post video. Yes, so it asks you, do you want to add the content guidelines product to the video, basically linking the product's affiliate to the video. Here you can name it. I'll just keep it default. Okay, so add. Now I'm going to search for my video, and I am going to select this video which I want to add.
So
all right,
to my living room. I'm
close that out. Now here, hit the down arrow. I want to add the subtitles. I'm going to look for captions. All right, now it's doing the manual adding a subtitle or captions.
So welcome to my living room.
Here is where you can scroll through it. This is automatically generated. You can edit it and you can change the subtitle language. But here are the different languages. Okay, if you want to, looks like they even have Chinese, but I picked American English. Here is where you can edit it. I'm just going to basically keep it the same. All right.
Camera inside it.
And then you can change the color of the text. Let's say I want it yellow. Okay.
As you can't tell just by looking.
All right.
Why we have.
After you're done, you click on save.
You can record.
And then
70 hours voice activation.
you can drag the subtitle to a different location, so it doesn't interfere with the other details. So I will probably pick a location right there. Next, here's where you would post all your description. What I like to do is go to, I'll show you a trick, right? I'm gonna go to my Instagram, something that I've already I'm gonna just copy it, because instead of typing all that stuff, I'm gonna just straight copy it over, because I'm associating the same products right here. Go back to TikTok and go ahead and straight paste. Basically, I'm telling you all about the product, the sale price, you know, all the tagging, all that stuff. I don't want to type all that stuff.
So welcome.
All right, and then just say post. And just let that do its upload. It might take a minute or so. So let's check on the video, see it's correctly uploaded. There you see the subtitles generated right there. It says that creator earns commission. So if you click on right here, more, or you can click on the product where it shows you how to purchase it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's basically how you could earn money on TikTok by the TikTok shop for creators.